everyone, welcome to today's session. In today's session, we will discuss about numerical problems based on concave lenses. In the previous video, we have discussed about rules for obtaining images formed by concave lenses, and also we discussed about formation of images by concave lenses. So based on that concept, we will discuss few numerical problems based on concave lenses. So see the question. An object is placed at a distance of 50 cm from a concave lens. Which lens? From a concave lens of focal length 20 cm. Find the nature and position of the image. See here, an object is placed at a distance of 50 cm. Object. So object distance we know u is equal to 50 cm. As always, object distance is always negative. According to sign convention, object distance will be minus. Got it? Because always distance should be measured from the optic center. We will place an object in front of the lens, so object distance is always negative. That's why according to sign convention, object distance will be negative. Got it? An object is placed. See, for suppose concave lens, right? This is our concave lens. This is our optic center. An object is placed at a distance of 50 cm. At a distance of 50 cm. I mean, whose distance is how much? 50 cm from optic center. Got it my point? An object is placed at a distance of 50 cm from a concave lens of focal length is 20 cm. Given focal length is 20 cm. So, as we know that, what is the nature of the concave lenses? Always it gives virtual and erected image. Always it gives virtual and erected image. So, always it gives virtual and erected image. So, focal length will be negative. F equal to minus 20 cm. According to sign convention, focal length will be negative. So, for concave lens, object distance will be negative. Focal length is also negative. Now, let us find out. They are asking to find the nature and position of the image. They are asking to find nature and position of the image. So, for that, let us find out what is the position of the image. First of all, we should know where we will get the image. Once if we know the position of the image, then we can say what is the size and what is the nature, whether it is a virtual image or real image. Obviously, for a concave lens, we will get a virtual image, right? So, we have to find out image distance, that is V. Here U in the sense object distance, F is focal length and V is image distance. As we know, what is lens formula? Lens formula is 1 by F equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. What is lens formula? 1 by F equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. 1 by V minus 1 by U. So what is mirror formula? Mirror formula is 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Whereas lens formula is 1 by F equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So 1 by focal length how much beta, which is minus 20, is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U in the sense how much here, which is minus 50. Yes. So we can write as minus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by V minus into minus plus 1 by 15. So let me take plus 1 by 50 towards this side, minus 1 by 50 is equal to 1 by V. LCM of 20 and 50 is 100. So 25 is 100 into 5 into 5. 52 is 100 into 2 into 2. So minus 1 into 50. Minus 1 into 5 minus 5 minus 1 into 2 minus 2, which is equal to 1 by V. minus 5 minus 2, that is equal to minus 7 by 100 is equal to 1 by v. So this is 1 by v. Actually we want v value, I mean reciprocal, v by 1 is equal to 100 by 7. 100 divided by 7. 7 1 is 7, 3 0, 7 4 is 28, 2.0, 7 2 is 14, 6, 7 8 is 56. I mean nearly I can write as v equal to minus 14.3 centimeter. I mean where will get the image? We'll get an image at a distance of 14.3 centimeter from optic center. I mean somewhere here you will get at a distance of 14.3 centimeter from the optic center. Here what is the minus sign indicates? It indicates that image formed is in front of the lens, I mean same side of the lens. So always image formed by concave lens is always negative only. I mean which is a virtual image. What is the position? What is the nature of an image? The nature of an image is virtual and erected. Nature is virtual and erected. Position is at a distance of 14.3 centimeter from the optic center. I hope you understood this question, how to do when given object distance, focal length is given, how to find the position and how to find out its nature and position of the image. One more problem we will discuss now, so that we will get the concept clearly. Yes, coming to second question. An object placed 50 centimeter from a line produce a virtual image at a distance of 10 centimeter in front of the lens. Where they place the object? An object is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter. So suppose this is an object, we place at a distance of 50 centimeter. An object is placed 50 centimeter from a lens, produces a virtual image. Produces a virtual image at a distance of 10 centimeter. At a distance of how many centimeters? 10 centimeter. Here we got the image. This is our image A dash, B dash. AB is our object, A dash, B dash is our image. When we place an object at a distance of 50 centimeter from the lens, we got a virtual image to the left of the lens. To the left side of the lens, we got an image at a distance of 10 centimeter. Now we have to find out focal length and also magnification produced. That are the first question focal length and second question is magnification. Okay, what is given? Let us write out. Let us write first. Given object distance is given u equal to 50 centimeter. According to the sign convention, object distance will be negative due to the left of the length. Actually, it is to the left side of the length, and image distance also minus 10 centimeter, which is also to the left side of the length. The thing is, we have to find out focal length. We have length formula, that is 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So 1 by f equal to 1 by v equal to how much? Minus 10 minus 1 by u equal to how much? Minus 50. So 1 by f equal to, which is minus 1 by 10, minus into minus plus 1 by 50. So 1 by f equal to, what is the LCM of 10 and 50? Which is 50. 10 5 is 50 into 5 into 5. 50 1 is 50 into 1 into 1. Minus 1 into 5 minus 5 plus 1 into 1 1. So 1 by f equal to minus 5 plus 1, that is equal to minus 4 by 15. So actually we want f, right? So f by 1 equal to minus 50 by 4. Minus 50 by 4. So f equal to 50 divided by 4. 2 2s are 2 25s are. So minus 25 by 2 in the sense minus 12.5 centimeter. So focal length will be how much? Minus 12.5 centimeter. Got it? We got focal length, obviously, which is negative. The second question is magnification. What is magnification for the lens? As we know that magnification m equal to v by u. What is magnification? Magnification, it is nothing but it is the ratio of size of image to the size of the object. V by u. So v in the sense here how much? Object distance is, image distance is minus 10 by object distance is minus 50. Minus minus cancel. 10 1 ja, 10 5 ja. 1 divided by 5 in the sense 0.2 centimeter. So you can see which is less than 1 centimeter. Which is less than 1 centimeter. I mean, image is smaller than the object. Here plus sign indicates which is a virtual and erected image. As I mentioned here, which is a virtual image. And we got magnification is 0.2 centimeter, which is less than 1 centimeter. If it is magnification is less than 1 centimeter, I mean we got a smaller image. I hope you understood these problems based on concave lenses. In the next video, we will discuss about problems based on convex lenses also. Thank you.